Today we're going to install this driver's side interior door panel on this 2013 Ram 1500. I just made a video of replacing the side view mirror as well as removing it and removing the door panel. Now we're going to make a video of installing it. First thing we're going to do is pick up the door panel, slide it in through the lock. You need both hands for this. And then just hang the door right on the trim. You can swing it back and forth. Next, what we're going to do is pull out these pigtails here so they won't get caught down there. Next, connect the pigtails to the master switch and we can bring this back down into place. Next, what we're going to do is pick up the door a little bit and then try to put it back into place. There's little hooks on the door itself that it latches into, gets it nice and secured. The reason we didn't is so we could pull those cables out before we lock it into place. Now everything is lined up. We'll grab one of these little retainer clips, insert it, and insert the little screw. Squeeze that sucker in. There's 6 of them. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6 that we'll replace. All right, and there we have it. All of them are in place. Perfect. Now we'll put in this plastic cover here. Sweet. This one here will slide right behind the door handle. Pull the door handle up and slide that into place just like so. All right, there you have it. There are 2 little hooks that slide into place. Then we'll have one Phillips screw that goes right here, right inside. Might need both hands to get that sucker in there. Then secure that sucker down just like so. Not too tight. It is plastic. Cover that little cover and you are set. And there you have it. That is how you install the door handle back on this 2013 Dodge Ram 1500. Everything is working. Windows are going up. Over there too, over there too, over here too. And side view mirror is working. Sweet. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe.